Formula One and Hot Wheels, two legends in the world of racing, and now they're joining forces like never before. Imagine holding the speed, the precision, the adrenaline of an F1 car right in the palm of your hand. And guess what? It's finally happening. Hot Wheels has just launched an official Formula One collection featuring not just one, not two, but 8 of your favorite teams. And today we're breaking down everything you need to know, from the teams included, the insane details on these cars, and the exclusive new tracks. Plus, we'll tell you where to get them before they sell out. So buckle up, hit that like button, and let's dive in. All right, let's get straight to the good stuff. The full lineup of F1 Hot Wheels for 2025. These aren't just any die-cast models. They're officially licensed and inspired by the real cars on the grid. The reigning champions are leading the pack. The Red Bull Racing Hot Wheels car features their iconic matte blue and red livery with those legendary charging bulls on the side. This one's a must-have for Max Verstappen and Liam Lawson fans. Silver Arrows fans rejoice. The sleek black and silver Mercedes model is hitting shelves in June. Whether you're an Andrea Kimi Antonelli fan or backing George Russell, this car is pure class. One of the most legendary names in F1 is back in the Hot Wheels lineup. The Williams model rocks their signature blue and white color scheme, making it an awesome addition to your collection. McLaren's Papaya Orange Beauty is an absolute standout in this collection. With a mix of orange, blue, and black, this model captures the stunning details of Lando Norris and Oscar Piastri's real-life machines. Alpine's striking blue and pink livery looks absolutely stunning in die-cast form. Whether you support Pierre Gasly or Jack Doohan, this is a fantastic model to add to your lineup. Haas brings the stars and stripes to Hot Wheels with their black, white, and red color scheme. If you're a fan of the only American F1 team, you need this in your collection. AlphaTauri is known for its sleek and stylish liveries, and this model is no different. The deep blue and crisp white design makes it one of the most visually striking cars in the set. Formerly Alfa Romeo, the newly branded stake F1 team Kick Sauber brings a fresh black and green aesthetic to the grid. If you want something different from the usual F1 colors, this one's a showstopper. Now, if you're wondering, where is Ferrari? Where is Aston Martin? Well, they're missing from this lineup. For reasons not fully disclosed, Ferrari and Aston Martin aren't part of the Hot Wheels F1 deal. But hey, that means these other teams get all the spotlight. Not only do we get these awesome F1 cars, but Hot Wheels is also introducing new F1-inspired tracks. And these aren't just regular loops. They come with DRS zones, high-speed boosters, and custom track features. This means you can recreate real F1 action with overtakes, speed boosts, and insane finishes right in your living room. All right, now for the important part. Where can you get your hands on these? Well, they're available right now for purchase online and in select stores. Oracle Red Bull Racing is available now. Williams Racing drops in March. Mercedes-AMG Petronas is coming in June. McLaren, Alpine, Haas, AlphaTauri, and Stake Sauber will be released throughout 2025. And listen up, these are going to be hot collector's items. If you don't act fast, they'll be gone before you know it. So what do you think? Which Hot Wheels F1 car are you getting first? Are you mad about Ferrari and Aston Martin being left out? And which team's design is your favorite? Let's start a conversation in the comments. I'll be replying to as many as possible. And hey, if you love Hot Wheels, F1, and epic racing content, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more epic racing news, hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.